What's up, guys? If you're trying to plug a trailer tire or a car tire and you have the little plug kit, you know, which comes with the reamer and the plugs and the plug device, but if the tire is too flat or just too weak, you might not be able to ream out the hole with the reamer, this guy here. All right, so if you can just get a drill, use a drill bit, you know, similar size to the reamer, maybe slightly larger, especially if it's cold outside. Get your drill, you know, after you've removed the foreign object, drill it out a little bit with any drill, then see if your reamer will go in a little bit easier. And you know, if it's just cold out, you might need to heat up the plugs with a heat gun or a powerful hair dryer, or put them next to a space heater or something to soften this material a little bit, because if they're just too firm, you will push like a mofo and just can't get them into the hole to plug the leak. So those are a couple things that I am trying. And put a little bit of adhesive, maybe some Gorilla Glue or super glue on the plug itself. That'll give it a little bit of lubrication so you can get it in there easier. And you might need to add a little bit of air to the tire just to give it some structure so that you can ream out the hole and do the plug portion of it. So yeah, just finding all that out. We got a nail in one of our trailer tires. Very stupid how that stuff just finds its way in there. Anyway, check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff that might help you. And if our video helped you, make sure you click the thank you button that's underneath the video screen and feel free to send a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.